SuperbMelt Platinum Melting Furnace is designed for melting platinum, gold, palladium or alloys of these metals. The following are its advantages. 24 hours continuous working realizes high production rate, easy installation and maintenance. Low pollution, low noise. Convenient to move. Omnio-bearing alarm system to ensure safety. Start water chiller for cooling. Turn on main power switch. Set the crucible in the coil. Put material in the crucible. Press start button. Adjust the power. Speedy melting within 2 to 3 minutes. Finish melting. Press stop button. Take out crucible with molten metal by towel. Turn off the main power 5 minutes later.